Hello, dear children. Good morning. I'm your Inkle Miss and I welcoming you all in our today's computer class. Children, as you know, we have completed our chapter 6. You can see on the screen animations in Scratch. Now, today we are going to do the activity section, lab session of this chapter, which is given on page number 63 in your computer textbook. So be ready, let's do practical work of chapter 6. So kids, this is my computer screen and on this screen you can see the page number 63 of your textbook, activity section of chapter 6. Here today we are going to do question B, displaying messages. Okay, let's read the instruction. Priya's teacher asked her to make a scratch project describing some health hygiene habits. Suggest suitable blocks as given in figure 2. Here it is figure 2. To display the following sentences on this stage. The first one has been done for you. Here one example is given. These are 5 rules of health hygiene habits. First is wash your hands before and after eating. So here first has been done for us. 3 blocks are there, move 10 steps, then say block, then play drum block for the music. Okay, now here wash your hands before and after eating. So this type of message we have to give by our sprite. Okay, so let's start this project. Okay, so first we have to start our scratch program. For that I am clicking on the scratch to shortcut which is on my desktop. Just double click on this. It will open our scratch to offline editor. Let's maximize this. Let's do not maximize this. Okay, let's make it to window because we can see in our textbook page also and we can see in the scratch window also. Let's drag it to the another left side. Okay, so here you can see this is our textbook page and this is our scratch window. Okay, so let's start our project. This is our script area, so small. Okay, now we have to first take our move 10 step block. Okay, so here it is motion block and in this move 10 step block available. So click on this and drag it to the script area. Move 10 step every time. Let's first change our cat's position. Just click and drag it to left side. Okay, okay, now next block we have to take this say block. Okay, in say block we have to type all the 5 messages one by one. So let's type first and for that we can find say block in looks block. So click on looks block and this is our say block. So click on this say block and drag it to the script area and place it here. Now we have to type message. So click on this hello, it will select it. Now type message from the keyboard, wash your hands wash your hands before. I am typing from my keyboard. Okay, before and after eating. Message cannot be seen because our window is small. Now you can see the message. Okay, wash your hands before and after. Here S is down, so just backspace and type D. Before and after eating. Now next we have to take the block play drum. Okay, so play drum block we can find in the sound block. So click on sound block and this is our play drum. This is just for music, background music. Okay, here beat is 1, it is okay. Now this way we have to type our second message which is take bath every day. Okay, so again take say block from the looks block, say hello and type second message in the place of hello from the keyboard. Second message is take bath every day. So type here take, take bath bath every day. This is our second message. Okay, now again we have to take the play drum for music. So we can find this block in the sound block and take it. Now we for enjoyment we are going to change the drum number. So different type of sound will be played. That's why. Okay, let's take a crash symbol. Okay, 4. Okay, now again take say block from the looks block, say hello block, and type the third message, which is brush your teeth in the morning and in the evening. So click on this hello message and type brush your teeth, BRUSH, brush your teeth, YOUR, your teeth, in the morning and in the evening. Type from the keyboard this message. Okay, now let's drag it our screen. Okay, you can see now the whole message. Now let's take again the sound block, play drum block, and place it here. Now change the beat to 9 claves. Okay, now let's take again the say block from the looks block and say hello. Now our fourth message is avoid eating junk food. Okay, so click on the hello message, it will select it. Now type avoid, OID, avoid eating, 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 JUNK, junk, FOOD, food. Avoid eating junk food. This is our fourth message. Now take again play drum block from the sound block and change beat to, click on this down arrow and change beat to cowbell 11. Okay, now next is as per your wish you can change the drum beat. Okay, now our last message, for that again take say hello block and click on hello block. Our last message is trim your nails regularly. Okay, now click on this hello, it will select it. Now type trim, 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 YOUR, your nails, NAILS, nails regularly, REGULARLY. Now our 5 messages are completed. Now let's see what happens when we execute this project. Okay, now it's simple. First our sprite move 10 steps, then after it will display message wash your hands before and after eating, then after play drum 1 will play, then after again it will display second message take bath every day, again drum is playing. Next say brush your teeth, so again third message it will display, same as all the message it will display and move 10 steps, and every time play drum will play. Okay, so let's click on move step. Everywhere you can click anywhere in the script. Okay, now I'm clicking on this blue block and let's see what happened. Click. You can see it will give us message one by one, but we cannot see the message. I'm clicking on this first, second, third, fourth, 5. It is very fast. Let's make changes in it. For that we have to add wait block. So after waiting of some time it will display another message. For that we have to take wait block after play drum block. Okay, so wait block we can find in the control block. So click on control block and wait 1 second. Okay, and place it after the play drum. Okay, now here you can type how many second you want to wait. Okay, so I am typing here 5 second it will wait, and then after it will display second message. Again take it and place it below the second, again take it and place it below the third, again at the fourth, and again take it and place it at the in last. Don't have to take. Okay, so keep it back. Now here every time click on 1 and press 5 from the keyboard, click and press 5, click and press 5. So we have added a wait block between each message, because after 5 seconds it will display us another message. Okay, so let's now execute this project. Click on this block and let's see what happens. First message, wash your hands before and after eating. After 5 seconds, it will display another message. Take bath every day, and also drum is playing in the background. Brush your teeth in the morning, in the evening. Avoid eating junk food. And the last, clean your nails regularly. Okay. So this is our project of question B. Here our chapter is completely. In next class we will start new chapter. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.